This is a quick video of why I removed the Smittybilt SRC roof rack from my Jeep and why I chose a Go Rhino roof rack instead. I'll start with the positives. The rack did its job especially well. It held the weight of the tent and awning really nicely, and it was easy to install both those given the room between the rack and the roof. The main reason I chose a different rack was the added noise. The Smittybilt rack squeaked and clunked horribly. The nice thing about the rack was you were able to remove the freedom tops, but the noise was so bad it made it unenjoyable. The second reason was for off-roading. The rack stuck out an extra 4 to 5 inches and had several points of contact on the body and hardtop. I was afraid if I would have hit something, all that energy would be transferred into those points and cause damage. I went with the Go Rhino roll bar mount system. It offers just a cleaner setup and the strength you need to run the tent. The install of the Go Rhino rack is pretty straightforward. Just need basic tools and the willingness to actually put holes in your hardtop. This is probably the most involved part of the installation, was in assembling the 65-inch roof rack. As you can see, the rack looks really nice on the Jeep. Installed very cleanly. My biggest pet peeve with it is the tent is extremely hard to install on it, but Go Rhino has a solution for that.